My proof copy from Barnes & Noble came in the mail and I am so excited. I really want to open it. This is my previous proof copy from KDP, which is Amazon's print-on-demand company. As you can see, they put this not for resale bar across the cover, and also the spine was not quite right because I gave my cover designer the wrong page number, but this one is going to be completely done, ready to go for proofreading, and I'm really excited. I want to unbox that, but Zion is still awake, so yeah, I know. So I'm not sure, really. What do you think? You want to come help me open it? I'm not sure how to crop you out. This is the best I can do right now. I'll have to do some cropping during edits, but let's come hang out in here for a minute with Penny. All right, it's a weird angle, weird lighting because my desk is white and it looks yellow, so I'm not sure about this. Let's see if I can kind of bring up, and now I look like a ghost. Do you guys love my camera skills or what? Okay. You sharing that with Penny? So nice of you. We've got someone. Did you make Penny run away? She ran away, Zai. Ready? This is gonna have to be short and sweet because someone is busy trying to crawl underneath my desk. Where are you going? Where's going, baby? Ooh, I'm nervous right now for some reason. I don't know why. Penny's like, let me in on this. Let me in on it. It's not for you, baby. Oh my gosh. It feels different. It feels more bendy. Sorry. Ah. Oh my gosh. Ah, it's so cool. Man, that looks different. Okay, love, love, love. Ooh, that looks pretty. Ooh, that font looks really pretty, Zion. Ooh, here's the correct font for the title page. See how it matches the front there? That's for my cover designer. Then we've got, you know, copyright's boring. And then this page, I actually put this big of a space for a reason. Let me show you. Zion, you still doing good? Yeah? Shout out to my critique partner for this one because Brittany Wang, what did you just get into? What are you doing? Hi! You found the cord. You're sneaky. Focus, Bethany. I'm not even taking in the whole book, but let me show you this really quick. Oh, that looks so good too. On this page right here, as I was saying, I have these signed book plates, and when you peel them off, I hope it's gonna fit. Okay, so I'm gonna have to, when I send these out, I'm gonna have to cut the top and bottom, I think. Or, see, this is why you order a proof copy. See how it fits really nice right there, but just barely cuts off my name as the author. So all I gotta do is bump this down from here to like here. And then this will fit perfectly. Let's keep going with the tour, shall we? You okay? Somebody's getting into all the cords under my desk, but don't worry, they're tied down. We have the dedication, which is like my favorite because I've actually never done a dedication before, believe it or not. The also by page, then a sign up for my newsletter right here. And then we have Chapter 1, if you want to pause to read. Woo, look at that thick book. I just want to check out the back. So what I'm planning to do is book 2's cover is not quite finalized, but when it is, it's going to go right here on this page. And then this will go at the top of the next page with the blurb for book 2. I'm going to take that from you. I'm so sorry, love. I love you. What's this? That is a child's toy that is designed for you. And Penny. We have the glossary in the back, acknowledgements, and author page. Oh, and the spine. Let's check the spine. Gorgeous. As you can see, it fits correctly now. And then we have the back. Okay, I really, really love that title page. I'm not sure though how I feel about this title page. Maybe what I need to do, because I could easily redesign these and then just chop off the top so that they're more rectangular. Instead of this big, they could be like this big. And then I could just cut the tops off of them. You know what I'm saying? I think I might do that because then it'll be just a little more centered, you know? I feel like this needs to be further down the page. It looks kind of funky like that. Not everybody's gonna get a signed copy, so. Or technically they would fit just fine on this page actually as well. Should we compare, Zion? Let's compare the two. Oh my gosh, you know what's really weird? The Barnes & Noble copies are like more bendy, like the paper's softer and they're also thinner. Let me show you. Okay, not by that much, but this is the secret gift, or this is the Amazon, and then this is the Barnes & Noble. And see how like the Amazon one's kind of stiff, like that's how much it bends, and then this one is like super bendy. Anyway, this was not going to be a comparison video, but I just thought I'd share that. I'm sure you can't hardly tell, but this Barnes & Noble one seems slightly smaller. Are we done? Yeah, I know, right? Tell me about it. You want to see? What do you think? Do you like it? Oh, we eat it. You can't see that, but it's being eaten now. Which kind of ruins the marketing potential, Sweet Pea. Let me have it back. Hold on. I was also going to compare the colors because it's really dark in here, but I do see that this one seems a little crisper. But weirdly enough, it seems like it has less color. Let me show you. Do you love the background track? So, it's a little distracting with the barcode on the cover, right? But this one seems like it has more yellows, but the rest of it's kind of duller. And then this one's really, really crispy, but it's a little less yellow. You know what I mean? I don't know why. Could be the yellow lighting going on in my house. So I'm excited because this is what's going to be going out to all of you readers on December 5th. And it's where everybody's pre-ordering. But okay, I think that's a sign to end the vlog right there. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll pre-order a copy. You guys are the best. You're making this pre-order period so much fun. Where are you going? Okay, I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.
Something straight out of a magazine.